proceed na tayo sa second round, ha? Okay, Team A and Team B, are you ready? Parents and guardians, are you ready to cheer? Everybody hold the rope. 3, 2, 1, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay. Alright, everybody here. Ayun, lalatsan at bumagi na ang 14. Very good. Ayun, meron na po tayong warming up and wala pong nag-jump, okay? Listen kay ate. Very good. Lalatsan, before we start sa ating final round, let's ask our team leaders. Ate Francine, Alex, are you ready? Ready na sila. Team A and Team B, are you ready? Okay, last one. Parents and guardians, are you ready to cheer? Okay, everybody hold the rope. 3, 2, 1, 10, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! And the winner is Team B! Very good! Okay, so now kids, move forward tayo. And face the other team. Team B, come here. Dito tayo sa harapan ni Lalatsan. And let's do the 5 claps and 3 claps. Okay kids, no jumping pa. No. Ayan, listen po. Dahil nanalo po ang Team B, let's give them 5 claps and say very good. Team A, hands up. And clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And Team B, dahil binigay pa rin naman ng Team A yung best nila, let's give them 3 claps and say good job. Everybody hands up. And clap. 1, 2, 3. Good job. And now, line up kayo ulit. Form your line. Wala po muna nga alis dahil meron pang surprise sa inyo si Lalatsan. And now, let's go back. Event.